Here I want to give you a roadmap to pass Step 1 exam. If you stick to this roadmap, you can be sure that you can pass this exam. This is not by chance, by any chance or anything. First of all, you need to know that this standard roadmap needs 6 months of dedicated study. 6 months. Maybe some people say 1 month is enough, 2 months. I say 6 months, and this is our roadmap. This is my roadmap that I have been tested for many years on my students, and it had worked. If you want, you can come with this roadmap. First of all, when you want to start, you need to start with a descriptive resource like UWorld or Pathoma. Pathoma is only for pathology, so for pathology you need to first go on Pathoma, and after that going for UWorld, and after that first aid. In other topics we go first to UWorld, then first aid. So regularly we go on a topic on UWorld, and this topic, this subject should be finished first. We don't go for mixed test in the beginning. This is crazy. First we go to a subject and finish that subject. After finishing that subject, we go to first aid and study the same subject. So when we are studying first aid now, we can understand what is saying in the first aid at that moment that we have just finished the first time of UWorld. Okay, after that, we go for the second topic on UWorld. When you are doing the second topic, in the same time you are actually studying first aid for the first time for previous topic. And this cycle goes on and on and on to finish all the material. As I said, the exception is for pathology, which you are starting with Pathoma first, then UWorld, then first aid. After some time you will finish this step, and congratulations, you have just finished the first step. So the second step is simply reviewing the material, reviewing everything, going through all the UWorld questions again, but make sure you are not reading the same question. You are only reading the highlighted material that you have highlighted in the first place, and you try to de-highlight them. And for example, if you have 10 rows of highlights, you make it into one or eliminate all of it, because you don't want to have many highlights in the last minutes, because these highlights is for reviewing in the last moments. So you de-highlight as much as you can, or better than that, if you could make flashcards for yourself or making some notes in your notebook or whatever, but it needs to be very, very short and limited material so you can review it in the last minutes. Okay, so this is really important that you should do in the second phase of studying UWorld. And also you need to study first aid for second time. After you did all of this, and also the Pathoma for the second time, and as I said, eliminate all the highlights that are unnecessary. Congratulations, now you are ready for the third step, step 3, and it is actually the final step. In this step, which is 45 days, you have two types of days. One is UWorld day, another one is first aid day. In UWorld day, first reset your UWorld and have the tests in 4 blocks, time sensitive, time limited, and mixed tests, and you are doing it in 4 hours. So you are getting used to how to sit for 4 hours, and also mixed tests. After doing the 4 hours, you can have some rest, and after that evaluate questions and answers and just taking some notes and move on. So you are doing it every other day, and the next day should be first aid, which is also mixed topics, whatever you want to review, but it is this third time that you are reviewing it, so it has to be fast. And this step will be 45 days. And congratulations, you are almost done. And let's say just a little more step, which is step 4, which is dedicated to MBME. You need to take 3 MBMEs. In our standard scenario, it is 3 MBMEs, not more, not less. And you are taking these exams with 1 week period, 1 week interval. The last MBME should be around 48 hours before the real exam, not closer than that. And the most important one is the third one, which has to be more than 70%. And the last one should be the most recent MBME. So the MBME score must be 70% plus to be exam ready. And after that, you go to exam and everything works fine for you. I'm sure that it will work. And if you have any question, and first please subscribe to this channel, because I am putting more videos like this on this channel. And if you have any questions, you can ask me down below and I will answer you, or I will make video according to your question. So I will see you in next videos. See you.